Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show how to mount the GoPro Action Camera on the helmet. The helmet I have used is a Steelbird Air and Vega helmet. These are the basic helmets. Vega will cost around 1000 rupees and the Steelbird will cost around 1650 rupees. I have used some accessories as well. Please check the description for the details. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks a lot for your time and have a good day. Bye. So this is the helmet I am going to use for mounting the GoPro camera. This is Steelbird Air and the cost of this is 1650 rupees. So either you can go for a better one or you can go for a basic one. It's up to you. And these are the accessories which I am going to connect to this one. So here you can connect the GoPro camera and you can attach it like this. You have to press here. This way you can attach and this way you can release. And this is the sticker. This is 3M sticker. So here I am going to connect this plastic component. And this is the area I am going to connect to the helmet. Make sure that you wipe the dust from the helmet as well as from this area. Just brush it with the brusher so that it should not come out. This is where I am going to connect. You can try to take it out. It won't come. Now just connect this one. So this is the GoPro 8 Black Action Camera. Just open the door like this and you can want to focus it. Just insert the screw here. the GoPro camera is connected. Even you can adjust while losing this screw. The same way, there are other accessories like here in this Vega helmet. I have connected the top of the helmet. The same way, I have used the 3M sticker. You try to take it out, it won't come. How much ever pressure you apply, it won't come out. It's very strong. And the other accessory is, if you are attaching it in the side of the helmet, you can use this. This way you can use it. So you need to connect this thing here. After that, you can connect the helmet like this. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And please like, share. Thanks a lot for your time and have a good day.